Hey guys, in this video we're gonna show you some tricks on how you can sell decals, because one of the things that we've been doing a lot is doing customized QR codes. So in this video we're gonna show you how you can customize your QR code so you can make it into decals, so that way you can sell decals. So we just had breakfast and we're heading home. We gotta work on a few projects, car magnets, and we gotta apply a decal on my car. I'll get into details. So I was having a conversation with Saul and we have this idea. Well, it's coming as an idea to sell decals. We added a new service to our business, which is web design. Besides the point, we've been offering that service and we noticed that customers that get websites, they like the idea of having their QR code of their website on their car. However, let me be clear, they don't need a website to create a QR code. You can also promote their Facebook business page, their TikTok, Instagram, whatever. So you can also use that to sell your decals. And we're gonna show you today how you can create your QR code. In case you didn't know or you don't know how to do it, we're gonna show you a tool. So this is the most recent project that we have that came from a website for this company. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to take videos, but this is how the QR code looked after we applied it on his truck. And that deal was made thanks to the decal. All right, so if you want to make QR codes with Google, just go to Google and type in Google QR code generator. And you can find here their official QR code generator. Just click on it and you can download it. I already have an extension here to make QR codes, but Google has a really good one and I recommend it. I will leave the information below. So now let's go to our new website, which is one of the new announcements that I want to make official. We open a website and it's called howtomakestickers.com. Here you can find pretty much the best tutorials on different types of machines like Cricut, printers, label makers, all kinds of different brands. So if we don't have any of those machines, you can definitely find it on howtomakestickers.com. You can check out the website right now. It's open. And the reason why we decided to start this website, it's because over the years people has complimented us that we make really good videos, good tutorials, and that we get straight to the point. So I decided to check out really good and the best tutorials that I found from different machines and check out the comments, and most people agreed that they were really good. So I invite you guys to check it out. So if you're looking for a specific machine that we might not show it in our channel, you can check it out on howtomakestickers.com. So anyways, let's create a QR code for this website, which is I'm going to advertise locally because I want to tell people also that they can work from home. So that's the decal that I'm going to place on my car. So here's the extension, and I'm going to go to QR code generator. It's very easy to use. Just click on generate QR code and it will generate this QR code from whatever domain is that you are displaying on your computer. So now we're gonna copy this and send it to the software. And another announcement that I want to make is for those that are premium members. I made an update on Design Frame, the software that we have that creates PNGs, PDF, and JPG. I'm sorry. Now it can also make an SVG trace, which helps you check out the quality of an image. Let me show you. Here's the QR code that I just generated. I just click on it and increase the contrast. It will increase the brightness of the color, which is the black one. And now look at that, the difference. You can see it on the desktop mode, but I don't know if you can see it mobile version. But now I can download this as a JPG, and it will definitely not need to work a lot on it because it has increased the color, and it will make it easier for you to go ahead and print it or cut it, whatever machine is that you have. So anyway, that's one of my announcements. I will be entering into more details on how this new option works. So the first thing we're gonna do is take the measurements, and this is the spot where I want my decal. So I'm gonna take the measurements and take a picture, send it to my software, and then I get a better idea of how my QR code is gonna look like. All right, so this is how I'm going to do my decal. I got 2 scanners on each side, and this is how hopefully it's gonna look like once I apply it in my car. So next step is to cut our QR code, and we're gonna use the graphic today. So I'm gonna use one of the scraps that we had in the garage laying in there. So this is gonna be for me anyway. So we're gonna use this scrap, and I did some small modifications for the decal. So this is why we love the graphic. Look at that, this is from a scrap. There's no way we could have done this with a Cameo machine. You have to get certain sizes, but this one is just a scrap. All right, now that we weed out the decal, the next step is Saul is gonna make sure that the QR code works. We make sure that we weed out everything, and yeah, it looks like it's working. The other one too, I already tested. So now let's apply the transfer. We're gonna use the R-Tape Clear Choice AT75. Then we're gonna go outside and apply it on the car. Now before we apply the decal, of course, as you know, we're gonna clean the surface, and we're gonna use our action tag. I'm just gonna apply some and use a towel or microfiber towel to avoid scratching the surface, and we're gonna make sure that we dry it good, because this is glass. Remember, when you apply a decal using like rapid tag or anything, and if you do it on glass, it might take longer to remove your transfer. So we're gonna try to dry it out as much as we can. Before we apply it, we're gonna make sure that this is gonna come off easily. So this is one of the things that we do, especially when the weather is like right now, it's kind of humid. So we're gonna lift it up, and yeah, it's working. We're using the AT75, which is a more aggressive transfer, but we gotta be careful too when it's time to remove it, because as I said, this is an aggressive transfer. So we're gonna make sure that we remove it carefully. Now it is good to go. We're gonna place 2 pieces of tape now on the sides, and then I'm gonna place it here, kind of like get an idea, but we're gonna use the measuring tape to make sure that everything's centered and aligned. All right, well, we have decided, because we don't have much space or room, so we're gonna place a big piece of tape on top, and we're gonna divide it in 2 sections. Now I'm gonna cut it with my scissors, probably here, and then move to this side, because we noticed too that this section is kind of curved, so we don't want any tension. So this is the safest way to approach this. Like I said, we're gonna do this in sections, and we decided to go in 3 sections to be safe. I can do this by my own, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let's just remove this to the side, and we'll see. Okay, I got some tensions here on the top, but no problem. I just use the squeegee, kind of like press the tension to the top. We don't have anything on top anyway, so I just want to focus on the bottom. And there we have this side QR code on this section here on the right. Now let's focus on the center. In case something goes wrong, Saul is going to assist me, but I think I got this. I got confidence. I mean, it's not a big decal, and like I said in the intro, we're just promoting our new domain. So again, guys, if you have a different machine than the graphic, which is the one that we use, you may want to check out this domain. So maybe you will see another person who has the machine doing videos on how to make this type of decals or stickers, whatever it is that you're targeting. All right, now let's remove the transfer and let's see what we got. Let's remove this section first. And again, if you use any type of aggressive transfer, just go easy. It was kind of humid. I was struggling here on top, but I think this bottom section here, it's doing better. So this is it for this video. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to go check out our new domain at howtomakestickers.com. We will see you guys again pretty soon.